So in this video I'd like to talk about how you change your color of your taskbar, or there's a top of this bar. So in Windows 10 you're gonna go to settings, go to personalize, and then go to color tab, and you can choose a color you like, but this is for the first start taskbar. So as I'm selecting blue, it's turned out as a blue. If I select yellow, whatever, it will change automatically. And there is another options is if you select dark, that's especially for the nighttime using. If you're using at nighttime, you can use that. Yeah. So that's how basically you're gonna change the taskbar color, as well as the title bar. Title bar is actually the top of this. As you can see, Google is top of this. Yeah. Yeah, that's basically it in this video. If this video helped you, please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.